How to fix Messenger messages in less than 1 minute. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps right here. Click on Messenger, click on this force stop here, and then click on the storage, click on clear data, click on delete, go back, click on the data usage here, and disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless, add networks, and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it like this, and that's it. Now the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.